Hey trader, I'm sure you're always on the lookout for new trading strategies that could give you an edge in the markets. Well, I think I've found one that could be worth your time. I've been testing it out for the past few weeks and the results have been pretty impressive. I'll be sharing the details of this strategy in this video and I will test it 100 times to prove my claims. There are several reasons why breakout trading is so popular. First, breakout traders are looking to exploit a market inefficiency. The idea is that a stock or other security will trade in a range most of the time, but occasionally will break out of that range and move sharply in one direction. When this happens, breakout traders want to be ready to take advantage of the move. Second, breakout trading is simple and straightforward. Traders don't have to worry about trying to guess the direction of the market or predicting where a stock, a forex pair or a crypto will go. Instead, they wait for the breakout and then take a position in the direction of the move. Finally, breakout trading can be very profitable if done correctly. Trader can make large profits if they correctly predict the direction of the breakout and take a position in the right direction. Now that you know a little bit more about the strategy and how it works, let's look at how you can put it into practice. This strategy works best on the 15 minutes time frame. We will use an indicator to determine the breakout so that we can remain objective and exclude emotions during our trading. Go to tradingview.com, click on the indicator tab, then search for Breakout Finder. We need this one. We don't change the settings. We want to trade with the trend, so we also add an exponential moving average to the chart. Change the length to 200. We also add an indicator called ATR bands to our chart. This will help us determine our stop loss. So let's search for ATR bands and choose this from the TRD floor. We change its settings. Adjust the ATR band scale factor from 2.5 to 1.75. Now we have the indicators. Let's see the rules of the strategy. We take a long position only if the price is above the 200 EMA, so we know we are in an uptrend. Now we are waiting for our breakout indicator to give us a long signal, so a blue arrow appears below the price. Always wait until the candle closes, so we can avoid fake breakouts. This is very important. Once we have the buy signal, we can enter the position. We set our stop loss to the lower red ATR line. And the take profit will be 1.5 times the risk. It was a profitable trade. Let's see some more long examples. In the following example, our entry is not valid, even though we have a valid buy signal from our breakout indicator. We are below our moving average, so we skip this trade. Here we have another valid signal. We have a blue arrow below the candle and we are above our moving average, so we take the trade. The price hit our take profit. The opposite is true for a short position. We take a short position only if the price is below the 200 EMA, so we know we are in a downtrend. Now we are waiting for our breakout indicator to give us a short signal, so a red arrow appears above the price. Always wait until the candle closes, so we can avoid fake breakouts. This is very important. Once we have the sell signal, we can enter the position. We set our stop loss to the upper green ATR line. And the take profit will be 1.5 times the risk. It was a profitable trade. Let's see some more short examples. In the following example, our entry is not valid, even though we have a valid sell signal from our breakout indicator. We are below our moving average, so we skip this trade. Here we have another valid signal. We have a red arrow above the price and we are below our moving average, so we take the trade. The price hit our take profit. Now that we know the rules of the strategy, it's time for the backtest. I will risk 1% on each for the possibility of 1.5% profit. I will take 100 trades to show you how this strategy performs in different market conditions. Keep in mind that backtesting is not a perfect science, and results may vary from actual results seen in the markets. But you can get a good idea of how well the indicator performs. To keep the video short, I will fast forward the process for you. Before I show you the results, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you want to see more content like this. After testing the breakout indicator 100 times, the results were quite surprising. The indicator had a success rate of over 59%, which is significantly higher than most other indicators on the market. This makes it a great choice for traders who are looking for a high success breakout trading strategy. The account grew by $590 on an initial capital of $1,000. This is 59% account growth in 2 months. So there you have it. Our test results show that this breakout indicator definitely has potential as a breakout trading strategy. We found that it worked best when used in conjunction with other technical indicators, and that it produced more consistent results. Although we only tested the breakout indicator on a small number of trades, the results were surprisingly positive and suggest that it could be a viable strategy for trading breakouts. But be careful, these are just backtesting results. No strategy guarantees a profit. Always test your trading strategies yourself before using them in real life. Trading in real life can be difficult, but if you follow your own rules and can control your emotions,